Good morning, everyone.
Good
Good
morning, ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Today, today we'll continue with the lesson 2 of civics. Clear? Now,
Yes, ma'am.
in this lesson, we were on page number 27, last paragraph. Last paragraph is in this paragraph we will see that what can be done. The earlier situations before this we'll read this paragraph also was remaining, I think. So in these
Yes,
paragraphs
ma'am.
you have seen that now so many facilities are there. Now so many facilities are there regarding the healthcare facilities, but then also the situation is not so much good. Yes or no? Then the situation is also not so much good. Yes. So mute yourself, beta Imanshi. Now, sometimes it is not only the lack of money. Now, we in the earlier this paragraph we have seen that the especially the poor people suffer a lot of health problems. Why? Because they are not having proper food to eat, balanced diet to eat. Plus, they are not having drinking water, also clean drinking water. Their surroundings are not clean. They are living in a filthy areas, and that is why they most common, that is the members of the family members, one or the other family often remains ill in the poor family because just because of the lack of these facilities, and therefore the expenses means खर्चा बहुत ज़्यादा उनको पे करना पड़ता है बीमारी में, और इसीलिए उनकी स्टैंडर्ड और ज़्यादा वर्स हो जाता है, उनकी सिचुएशन और ज़्यादा वर्स हो जाती है. Clear? Now, sometimes it is not only the lack of money that prevents people from getting proper medical treatment. So only the money is not the only problem for the poor people, that because of the lack of money, people are not getting proper medical treatment. But another other reasons are also there, like women, for example, are not taken to the doctor in prompt manner. Prompt manner means prompt, the word prompt means without delay, very quickly. Means as soon as women fell ill, it is not so that जैसे ही बीमार पड़ती है कोई वुमेन तो वो उनको फटाफट उनको हॉस्पिटल लेके जाया जाता है या कुछ. तो कुछ ऐसे फैमिलीज देखने को मिलती है या कुछ ऐसी कम्युनिटीज देखने को मिलती है.
मैम
यस लक्षिता. यस
यस
लक्षिता.
मैम मैम मेरा लीव हो गया था मैम मेरी वॉइस आप तक पहुंच नहीं रही थी तो मैम मेरा लीव हो गया था तो मैम
ओके.
आपने इस पैराग्राफ में क्या बताया
कौन सा पैराग्राफ बेटा, ये ऊपर वाला, ये तो प्रीवियस क्लास
मैम
में हो
यही
गया
वाला
था.
मैम समटाइम्स
हाँ समटाइम्स, ये जस्ट अभी
मैम यही वाला समटाइम्स
sometimes. Sometimes it is not only the lack of money. Now here we always see that due to the poor people, they are not having so much of enough of money to get a proper means surrounding uh, good food, good environment, or clean drinking water, and that is why most of the family members are remaining ill, and they have to spend a lot of money for the health condition. But the matter is not only the money for the proper health condition, but other things are also there. Likewise, we have seen that women are not taken to doctor in the prompt manner. जैसे कि prompt manner means, Lakshita, you have asked the meaning that day of the prompt. Prompt means without
यस
delay. विदाउट डिले, और मीन्स वुमेन जैसे ही बीमार पड़ती तो उनको एकदम से लेके नहीं जाया जाता है हॉस्पिटल. सोचा जाता है कि शायद ठीक हो जाएंगी, अपने आप ठीक हो जाएंगी. जब क्रिटिकल कंडीशन आ जाती है, बहुत वर्स कंडीशन आ जाती है, तब इन दैट केस वुमेन्स आर टेकन टू द हॉस्पिटल इन मैनी कम्युनिटीज. नॉट ऑल द कम्युनिटीज बट इन मैनी कम्युनिटीज ऑफ द सोसाइटीज. फिर women's health concerns are considered to be less important. Why they are not taken very quickly to the for the treatment to the hospitals and all? Because because their health conditions are considered to be very less important as compared to the men in the family. Men से compare करेंगे तो women are considered less important in the family. That is why whenever they feel ill, or whenever they are not feeling well, they are not oftenly take to the hospital. Clear? So this is another reason why people are not getting proper treatment whenever required. Clear? In this condition, we are seeing about the women's health. Next, many tribal areas. Many tribal areas means many areas where tribal people live. आदिवासी लोग. Tribal means आदिवासी लोग जो जंगल में रहते हैं. So they have few health centers. They are having very few health centers and they are not run properly. और वो जो health centers हैं वो भी बहुत अच्छे से run नहीं करते हैं. Proper वहाँ पर treatment नहीं दिया जाता है. रिमोट एरियाज में, ट्राइबल एरियाज मीन्स रिमोट एरियाज, बहुत दूर फॉरेस्टेड एरियाज हैं, आदिवासी लोग उस टाइप में रहते हैं ना, नेचर कंसर्न होता है ये लोग. सो देयर ऑल्सो प्रॉपर हेल्थ सेंटर्स आर नॉट देयर एंड इफ एवर देयर हेल्थ सेंटर इज देयर इट इज नॉट रन प्रॉपरली. अच्छे से उसको नहीं चलता है वहां पर. तो इवन प्राइवेट हेल्थ सर्विसेज आर नॉट अवेलेबल और प्राइवेट हेल्थ सर्विसेज भी नहीं अवेलेबल होती है इन दीज एरियाज में. सो this is the condition, this is the reason why we are not able to give the proper health means health treatment to all the people. Health facilities are not available to all the people. First is lack of money we have seen. Second, income in the societies that women are not giving more importance. They are seen as inferior than the men. और इसीलिए उनको ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं दी जाती है. जब कभी भी बीमार पड़ती है तो उनको ऑफ एंड ऑन लेके नहीं जाया जाता हॉस्पिटल में. क्लियर? वो सोचते हैं कि अपना आप ठीक हो जाए तो बेटर है. एंड द फैमिली मेंबर्स डोंट वांट टू स्पेंड द money on the treatment of the women in many societies. फिर next another reason is the tribal areas. Tribal areas means remote areas, दूर दूर के इलाके. वहां पर तो health centers नहीं है, अगर कहीं है भी तो they are not running properly. Clear? These are the conditions why people are not getting proper health treatment. Good. Now next is what can be done. Now if this is the condition that in spite of having so many doctors, so many health centers and hospitals, but then also people are not getting enough of good treatment, then what can be done? Now there is little doubt that the health situation of most of the country is not good. It is the responsibility of the government to provide quality health services to all the citizens. Now underline this.
Next line.
This responsibility of the government to provide quality health services to all the citizens. It is whose responsibility to provide the quality healthcare services to all the citizens?
Government.
Government. Why government has the responsibility? Because we as a citizen choose the representatives through universal adult franchise to form the government. So the government is liable to work for the welfare of the people. अब हमने गवर्नमेंट को चूज किया है, हमने रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स को चूज किया है गवर्नमेंट फॉर्म करने के लिए, देन इट इज द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट टू टेक केयर ऑफ द पीपल, फॉर द टू वर्क फॉर द वेलफेयर ऑफ द पीपल. सो to provide quality healthcare services also to the citizens, it is the responsibility of the government. Next, especially the poor and disadvantaged. Now, rich people often they will be not in need of the healthcare services. They will definitely move to the private hospital and again they will get the good treatment. But the most important thing is for the poor and disadvantaged. The poor people and disadvantaged. Disadvantage means the communities or the group of people which are not giving so much importance in the society. तो उनको ज्यादा जरूरत है गवर्नमेंट के द्वारा हेल्थ केयर सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड की जाए. Clear? However, health is an much dependent on basic amenities and social conditions of the people as it is on the healthcare services. Hence, it is important to work on both in order to improve the health situation of our people. Now, what happened? Health depends on what? Underline this, health depends on basic amenities as well as social conditions of the people. Underline this, health depends on what? Basic amenities. Basic amenities means?
Basic amenities and social conditions.
Basic amenities means? Basic needs.
And basic things.
Basic things like proper food, clean drinking water, Clean
surroundings.
surroundings.
Ma'am, clean surrounding.
Clean
Clean
surroundings.
surroundings. So these are what? Basic
Yes.
amenities. So
Ma'am,
if
basic
Basic
amenity.
so if these are provided to the people, then definitely health condition will be good of the people.
Yes.
So and
Yes.
social conditions of the people means the way the people are living. अगर उनकी conditions appraise कर दिया जाए, अगर poor people या disadvantaged people को advantage दिया जाए ताकि वो भी अपना standard high कर सके, then definitely their health condition will be improved. Clear? So health depends on basic amenities and social conditions. So it is important for both that the government should provide the basic amenities and social conditions to the people. And this can be done. Look at the following example. अब example बताया गया है यहाँ पर. How these basic amenities by the providing the basic amenities and so raising the social conditions, how the government can help in taking care of the health of the people. Now this is the example, the Kerala experience. Now, in 1996, the Kerala government made some major changes in the state. Now, what all changes were made in 1996 in Kerala? That 40% of the entire state budget will be given to who? Panchayats.
Panchayat.
Clear? 40% का जो बजट है वो पंचायत को दिया जाएगा. This was the change brought by Kerala government in 1996, and they could plan and provide for the requirement. और 40% जो उनको दिया जाएगा पंचायत को, now they can plan out and provide for their requirement, for the requirement of their own people. वो पैसा खर्च, वो बजट खर्च कर सकते हैं अपने लोगों के लिए ताकि अच्छे से अच्छी चीजें उनको दी जा सके. Now this made it possible for the village to make sure that people planning was done for water, food, women's development and education. Now about this 40% of budget which was given to the panchayat, what was decided? It was decided that people proper planning was done, water was provided, food was provided, and women development and education was provided to all the people. This meant that the water supply schemes was checked, the working of schools and Anganwadis. Anganwadis means Anganwadis. What are Anganwadis? Anganwadis means the small schools, government schools, pre-primary schools. Clear? Were ensured and specific problems of the village was taken up. Now in this planning was done so that all people get the pure drinking water, food, education will be seen, and women's development is seen by this 40% of the budget which is given to panchayat. Now all this helped to improve the situation. Now by providing this 40% of the budget to the panchayat and proper planning was made, and due to this what happened? What happened? The health centers were also improved. They had it had to improve the situation. Navneet, hello. Mute yourself, everyone. Whenever you want to reply, just unmute yourself and reply. Otherwise, mute yourself. So this helped a lot to improve the situation, to improve the health condition of the people of Kerala. Now, despite these efforts, however, some problems such as shortage of medicine, insufficient hospital beds, enough doctors remained, and these needed to be addressed. Now, all the conditions were improved, but then also little bit efforts more was needed where there was shortage of medicine. अभी भी क्या था वहाँ पर थोड़ी सी condition proper नहीं थी, इतना कुछ करने के बाद भी why? Because there was medicine shortage, not sufficient hospitals was not there, beds was not there, and even the doctors were also not sufficient in this area. Clear? This much clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
So how the Kerala government helped to improve the situation? Okay. Now next example is about Costa-Rican approach. Next example is about Costa-Rican approach. Now, Costa Rican is considered to be one of the healthiest countries in Central America. Underline this. Underline this. Costa Rica is considered to be the healthiest countries in which area? In Central America.
America.
Okay. Now the main reason for this can be found in Costa Rican constitution. Why it is considered to be the healthiest country? Because the reason lies in the constitution. जो कोस्टा राइका कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बना है उसके अंदर इसका रीजन छुपा हुआ है कि ये कोस्टा राइकन वाई इट इज द हेल्थीएस्ट कंट्रीज इन सेंट्रल अमेरिका. नाउ व्हाट इज द रीजन विल रीड. several years ago, बहुत समय पहले, Costa Rica took very important decision and decided not to have an army. What was decided? Not to have an army.
Army.
Yes. So it was decided that about the Costa Rica that they have decided that they will not have any army. This helped the Costa Rica government to spend the money that the army would have used on health, education, and basic needs of the people. Now, they decided that they will not spend any money on the army. और जब आर्मी के जो मनी यूज होता है जरूरत है वो मनी कहाँ पर यूज होगा फॉर द हेल्थ एजुकेशन एंड बेसिक कम्युनिटी.
Basic needs.
Yes. Health, basic amenities, education, and
Education.
clear. So this was the important decision taken by the government that they will not keep the army and whatever expenditure is there for the army, वो expenditure, वो money हम इन चीजों में use करेंगे. Now the Costa Rica government believes that the country has to be healthy for its development and pays a lot of attention to the health of the people. और ये क्यों decision लिया? Because they believe, the government believe that the country has to be healthy. The people has to be healthy. People healthy होंगे तो क्या होगा? They will work for the development of the country.
Country.
Clear? So the Costa Rican government provides basic services and amenities to the Costa Ricans. Costa Rican में जो citizens रहते हैं Costa Rica में उसे उन्हें क्या बोलेंगे? Costa Ricans. जैसे हम इंडिया में रहते हैं तो we are called as Indians. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
The
ma'am.
people who are living in Costa Rica are called as Costa Ricans. So government decided to provide the basic facilities and services to the people so that if the people will be healthy, then definitely the country will be developed. वो उनके country के development में helpful करेंगे. For example, it provides safe drinking water. Now, what all things are provided by the government? It provides safe drinking water, sanitation, nutrition, and housing. Even health education is also considered very important, and knowledge about health is also an essential part at all levels. So this is the important steps Costa Rica has taken so that the country can make the development. If the people will be healthy, definitely they will work for the benefit and for the development of the country. So what step was taken by Costa Rica government? What step?
Decided to not to have an army.
Very good. They decided not to have the army. And what happens? The expenditure will be used for
For development
For development of education.
of country.
yes, for health, education, and other basic needs of the people. Clear this much? Everybody has understood this much?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, we have to underline these last 5 lines.
Line, underline. So what was provided by the Costa Rican government? ये सब provide किया गया. Okay. Now the question and answers. Now these question and answers I will share it to you in the group also and on student portal also. For means test also. Periodic test. This lesson is not coming, but other lessons are coming. If any glossary important terms are given, we'll read those also. Clear? Glossary important terms of we'll read that also. And go through this glossary also. I had explained each and every word here. when we were reading the lesson, but then also you go through this. Now these question answers are shared in this group. Sorry, in this PDF. I will share it to you in the student portal also and in the group also. You do it the same way, very neatly. Civics lesson 2, you are going to write down role of the government in health. Then very short, what do people in a democratic country expect from the government? Yes, in a democracy, people
Ma'am, to work
expect
for their welfare.
to work for their welfare. Clear?
Welfare.
Okay, the full answer you are going to write down. Then where do most doctors prefer to settle?
In urban areas.
Ma'am, urban areas.
Yes. So you will write down the full answer. Most doctors prefer to settle in urban areas. Name some waterborne diseases.
Ma'am,
Diarrhea,
Diarrhea,
and
dengue,
Clear?
worms,
Then
hepatitis.
what do you mean by public healthcare system? Public healthcare system is a system.
of hospitals
of
and
hospitals and
healthcare
health
run by
centers
the
run by the
government.
government.
Yes.
Ma'am, in short, ma'am, it is ma'am that public healthcares are run by government
Yes, very good.
with the facility of our tax which we give to us to the government.
Yes. Public healthcare system is a system of hospitals and health centers which are run by the government.
Government.
And name the two categories of health centers, healthcare services.
Public and
Public
private.
health
Public,
services and
ma'am,
private health
private
facilities.
Public and private.
Okay. So you will write down the answers, whatever
Yes,
they are given.
ma'am.
Okay, sir. So what is the primary duty of the government? The primary duty
The
of the
To
government.
primary
ensure the
duty of the
welfare of the
government is to
citizen.
ensure the welfare of the people and provide healthcare
Care all
facilities to all.
care facility to all.
Good. And what is OPD? OPD is
Outpatient
Outpatient department.
outpatient
Outpatient
department.
department.
This is where people are
This
first
is where
brought in
people
and treated in a
are
hospital
first brought
without
and
being
treated in a
admitted to
hospital
any
without
special
being
ward.
admitted to any special ward.
Yes. This I already made it clear when I was teaching the lesson that it is
Yes,
outpatient department and
Yes,
before being admitted in the ward or in the hospital, they are treated, they have to first get the brought to the OPD, that is outpatient
okay,
department.
ma'am.
Then short questions are there.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
what is SDG?
Huh?
Ma'am, Sustainable Development Goal.
Yeah. Hello.
Ma'am, in book number
She's
page number
asking
21.
what is sustainable
and sustainable department goal.
department goal.
Ma'am, in book
Hello.
Page number 21.
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, he is asking about ma'am STD.
It is well
Sustainable
given.
department goal.
In civics book it is. Hello. Very
Yes, ma'am.
visual.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, page 29.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Page number 29.
Okay. Mute yourself after giving the response, beta. So much disturbance is there. Page number 29. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Where it is given.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, STD, sustainable department.
Which line, which page? I'm not able to see.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
हाँ,
Ma'am, let me see.
you show me.
Ma'am, you can see in my video.
हाँ, Lakshit. You can tell me which page where it was given. In civics book only.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, it is on 29 page number.
Ma'am, page number
In a
29.
picture, at side it is written. Ma'am, in a
Ma'am, this
picture
one.
it is written.
Can you see?
Ma'am, this one.
Sustainable department.
Ma'am, can you see here?
Clean water and sanitation. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
This.
ma'am.
Then
Ma'am,
इसके
as
नीचे
ma'am, what
लिखा
is
हुआ है
this?
सस्टेनेबल डिपार्टमेंट गोल डेवलपमेंट गोल
हाँ, sustainable development goal. That means everybody without damaging. Hello, hello. Mute
यस
yourself,
मैम
pretty fast. Without harming or damaging the natural environment. Everybody needs to what? Develop. Clear? एक तो
Okay, ma'am.
बैकग्राउंड नॉइज बहुत आ रही है, कुछ क्लियर नहीं हो रहा बेटा.
मैम राघव बंसल के आ रही है
Mute yourself, beta. Those who have hello, unmute yourself.
यस मैम यस मैम
Okay, fine. What are the different ways? So sustainable development we have also read in the geography that the development without harming the environment. Yes or no? Okay. Now, what are the different ways through which the government can take steps to provide healthcare to all? What these are the steps? Question number 1. Question number 2 is improvement in water and sanitation can control many diseases. Explain with the help of example. Now, this is the answer I have written. You can read it. If anything you have not been cleared, you can ask me. Any doubt is there, you can ask me. Okay. What do you mean by proper and adequate healthcare facilities? And then who are medical tourists? All these are the short question and answers. 7 are very short and 4 are short. Then long question answers are there. Define health in broader perspectives and why it is important to pay taxes to the government. This in the box I had explained you. And then compare public health services with
यस
those of
मैम
private. Public and private health services and discuss the posture icon approach about health. So these are the 4 long also. It is not in
ओके मैम
don't take tension. हरी भरी में ये नहीं करना है. Take your own time. Take your own
Ma'am?
time to complete this lesson in your notebook.
ओके मैम
ठीक है ना?
थैंक यू मैम
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Yes, Lakshita.
Ma'am, मेरे को yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I am asking that, ma'am, the Costa Rican approach. Ma'am, मुझे ये वाला paragraph, ma'am, I couldn't understand that one.
Which part you did not understand? Costa Rican approach.
Yes, ma'am, that one paragraph.
Oh,
Ma'am, last paragraph
okay.
of the chapter.
Okay, wait. Let me continue with it. Costa Rican approach. Now, Costa Rican approach is an approach by the government. That government had decided not to have an army. Why government has decided not to have an army? So that government, whatever expenditure is made on the army to keep the army properly, जो भी एक्सपेंडिचर जो भी मनी उस पर एक्सपेंड होगा, तो कोस्टा राइका गवर्नमेंट ने ये डिसाइड किया कि वो सारा मनी हम citizens की welfare में लगाएंगे. How for the welfare of the citizens? By providing them proper education, basic necessities like nutrition, sanitation, clean drinking water, education, women upliftment. So ये सब कुछ provide करेंगे. कौन का कैसे? कहाँ से प्रोवाइड करेंगे? जो पैसा आर्मी में लगना था वो पैसा हम इसके लिए खर्च करेंगे. Why? Because why they are taking such type of decision? So that
तो
when people will be, the health condition of people will be good, then definitely they will work for the upliftment, for the development of the country. That is why this was decided. Clear? So that the citizen will be healthy citizens. Anything else?
नो मैम
No, ma'am.
After this, anything else is there?
No, ma'am.
Okay. This you were asking clean water and sanitation sustainable development goal. Okay, sustainable development goal here. That means everybody should be provided clean drinking water and proper sanitation
प्रॉपर
facilities,
सैनिटेशन
clean and green area, so that everybody can develop in a healthy way without damaging the environment. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, fine. So that's all for today. For tomorrow, geography lesson 1, we'll do the revision work in class. So be ready for the
Okay.
revision work. That's all for today. Thank
Okay,
you.
ma'am.
Okay, bye.